Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item I just ordered in the mail, came in a day, which is amazing. It's a C-clamp stand. So basically I'm looking for an over the mount camera to point down at I'm in a light box here and I want a camera to face down inside the light box. So this is the camera I'm going to be using. And I want it to set up high and have a down shot. Instead of this front shot, I want to have a down shot. And there's a hole up there. Let me just show you real quick. There's a hole up here. And I want to use this camera to set this camera here in this hole. And to do that, you need a C-clamp, a pole clamp, I don't know, whatever. There's so many different configurations. I ordered this one online. I'll leave a link in the below in the description. There'll be a link at the end of the video so you can see that as well. So if you're interested in this, I did purchase this myself. And if you do buy it, I do get a small commission that costs you nothing. So if you enjoy this type of content, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. So I ordered this online and it seemed like it was a couple of good reviews on it. So so many different ones out there, as you know, when you're doing research and you're driving yourself crazy. It did come like this. The box was damaged when I received it, but the item was not damaged. And it wasn't shipped in a box, it was shipped in a bag. So I didn't like the way they shipped it to me personally, but it seems to be okay so far. So this is what it looks like. And you can see the box was ripped. So, I mean, luckily, if it's not damaged, it's okay. But if you're watching this, this company, do a better job at the box. That's first thing I'm going to tell you. So what's in the box? So we have a ball mount here. Oops. There's a ball mount. And this will go on my camera. Hopefully. It should fit here on the bottom, right here. And that'll attach to this, and that'll attach to the mount, and we'll be able to adjust and pivot the camera where I want to put it. So that's what's in here. And that's so that's good to know that that's what it came with. That's one item. And it also came with, which I thought was nice, is a cell phone mount. So if you want to do something with your cell phone, you can do that as well. Open that up and show you that. So here's the cell phone mount. I'm not sure what size camera that'll fit. Let me see if it'll fit my iPhone 14 Pro Max. 1 second. Yep. So that'll fit iPhone 14 Pro Max without a big case on it. So that'll work with that. And what else came with it? These little things here, little adapters, depending on what you're using. So there's different thread up and thread down adapters. You can see that. Different kind of tripod, different configuration sometimes. So you'll need adapters. So that was good. So they gave you the adapters, which is cool. I like that. Put those in here. And let's pull this out. So basically, this is pretty heavy. And this is 3 bars here. These all connect. Pull these all out. What else is in here? And let's see what else is in here. And just a little manual. So take that out of the box. And let's see. The manual should be, I don't think you need the manual, honestly. They basically screw into each other and they kind of, let's see. So, okay, so each one of these, so there's 3 poles, okay? And the main base itself. Now the main base is very heavy duty. This is a serious heavy duty mount. You can see this, it's like a C-clamp, okay? And this is very beefy. So no issues with that. It's going to give you all the sturdiness. So all the sturdiness will start from the base. So if the base is good and sturdy, the rest of it should be good and sturdy. That's the idea. And you can see here it has like a slip, not like a sleeve. This will sit in here, I am pretty sure. That'll fit in there. It just does. Tighten it up, and it does. So that's pretty much easy enough. And then you just basically screw these into this. And each one of these pivots and gives you the locking where you want to lock it. And each one of these locks up like that. So that's pretty much the premises behind it. So it's really pretty simple. You can do 2. You can do 3. You can do whatever you want. And they have a little pin that locks it in. Okay. And you just snug it up like that. So that pin locks this into place. This locks down here. So this is pretty sturdy, I have to say. I'm impressed with the quality. That's under 50 bucks, I believe. And then so basically this will give you the angle and the extra angle, how high you want to go. You can pivot, you can pitch this any way you want to, and then you attach this to the other side, and then you get that. I'm looking for like an overshot look. So I'm going to pull this all out. I'm going to put it together, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So watch to the end of this. I'm going to show you how it looks like, and then you be the judge and see if you like it. And we'll do a shake test, we'll do all that. So stay tuned. All right, let me just put this all together, and I'll show you what I did. Okay, so you can see I did mount it to my desk here. It was mounted to my desk, and it runs up here. You can see, and the angle's coming over here, and there's my down shot here. My little Canon I'm going to use this as my down shot right here. I want to show you how it looks. So it's pretty stable, actually. It's it's pretty good, not bad. I mean, once you get it set up and everything, you're not going to really touch it. So it looks decent. I think it's going to be fine. It was adjustable. It just barely fit a little bit. I had to put this ball back on. This ball actually pivot it down a little bit so it'll be more straight, as you can see here. But this is going to be my down shot inside my photo box. And that's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to put my photo box on and just show you how that looks set up. Okay, so you can see the photo box, how it's a big photo box. This is a 2x2x2 cube. So this is a big photo box. But I wanted this down shot here, like you can see here. You can see inside the box, the camera's up there, and that'll shoot everything into here. So I'll be able to do my reviews and product shots and photography and different things from the top shot down. So that's a better shot. And that's what the camera's going to be. And that's why I wanted to have this, like getting that nice down shot. And then they have the lights in here that go on. And you can see it's going to give me plenty of light coming through here. The down shot, it should work perfectly. So I'll leave a link down below for this arm thing, for the setup here. I like that. And this photo box I definitely recommend too. It's a nice big square photo box. I've been using this for a while. I love it for photography. This opens up. You can do a down shot. You take photo, video, whatever you want to do. You can have a lot of flexibility with this. So this really works well. But I wanted this arm. I wanted this down shot. I want to make a review and show you this specific item here. And I will leave a link for this as well. And a review. I did a review on this too. So you'll see that. There'll be a video at the end of this video over here. There'll be a link over here for this actual metal arm thing. This here. And so far so good. I think it's going to work out well. I'll do an update. And if I have to in the future, if not, it should work out perfect. It has the flexibility. It's a little, you can see, a little bit taller would have been straight, but the angle here with this ball here worked perfectly, and I think it's going to work great. Okay, guys, I'm just giving you a quick example how I would do my presentations, my reviews like this here. If I'm doing a photo shoot, if I'm doing a product description or a discussion, this is what I would do right here and show you exactly what it looks like. And use this down shot. It's really nice. You can just see everything nice and clear. That's got good lighting. It's got good audio. I'm using a shotgun microphone actually hanging inside the box. There's some soundproofing in here, and I think it's going to work out perfect. How does it sound? How does it look? Here's another good example I'm going to show you here. Here's a product I just received. I want to do an unboxing and a review on this specific product, and I want to show you this down shot and the real advantage of doing this. I'm going to show you how that looks. Open that up. You can really see everything in here. You can see all the details inside, which is really what I'm looking for. And you can take this out and you can just get more detailed in here. You can see what's in here. There's a camera. So you can just see what I'm talking about, how nice it is when you're working with these down shots. I like this quite a bit. So that's another quick example. This is going to work great. I think it's going to be fantastic. I'll definitely leave links down below for everything as well. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as well. I appreciate that. Let's kind of way back to the live shot. So before, I want to just show you here, so I got the microphone, the shotgun microphone sitting inside the box, as you can see, hanging down, which is perfect audio. The box has soundproofing in the side of it as well, so it helps absorb some of the sound. And I got the nice white background. So this is a really cool setup. I love this setup. It really works good. I think it sounds fantastic. So far, so good. This here. And so far, so good. I think it's going to work out well. I'll do an update, and if I have to in the future, if not, it should work out perfect. It has the flexibility. It's a little, you can see, a little bit taller would have been straight, but the angle here with this ball here worked perfectly, and I think it's going to work great. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Please let me know some comments down below. And if I helped you, I really do appreciate that. Also, consider a super thanks, and also buy me a cup of coffee if I brought you some value. And also, a link down below, and it's an affiliate link, like I said, for these products, and I do get a small commission, and it costs you nothing. So I appreciate your time. As always, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. See you at the next video.